Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Elite dating site. Keep watching the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into the Elite dating site, go and click open your web browser, and in the search box type elitedating.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up on the official website of Elite Dating. In order to log into your account, you can click on the sign in button in the upper right corner. Enter your username or your email and your password in order to sign in. Make sure to type in the valid email address or your username and move on to the next field and type in your password correctly. Make sure to type in both the credentials correctly in order to log in without any kind of a problem. You can choose the system to remember you by leaving the box checked over here where it says remember me, but if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link right below the Remember Me box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you'd like to log in with your Facebook account, click on this Facebook Connect button and sign in with your Facebook. After you're done entering all the credentials, click on the sign in button, and after you do that, you'll be logged into Elite Dating. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.